Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve deactivate account on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve deactivate account on Facebook app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Facebook and you can click. Then this list of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Facebook, you can uninstall your app and you can wait a moment to install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.